If it's blinking, does that mean it's going?
I think you should see like a timer.
Yep.
Okay, great.
Ready,
Hi.
set, go.
Hi, my name is Wiley Nickel. I'm an attorney here in Cary, North Carolina, and just getting back to the practice of law. Took a break for the last 3.5 years to work for the White House. Traveled all over the country with President Obama planning his major events. But I'm back here in Cary now. I've got a wife due in August. Very excited about our first child. And practicing law, and also the founder and CEO of MyReferral.com, a very, very exciting social networking website for small businesses. Basically what we do is we make lists and of your go-to referrals and connect through your social network to promote those businesses. So instead of typically like a Yelp where you have ratings, this is just a referral. So a very exciting social networking website, and looking forward to telling you a lot more about it.